Okay, good. Hey guys, so I'm currently at Mount Ngun Ngun in Glasshouse Mountains, Australia. So this is the trail, as you guys can see. Fairly easily accessible. Ngun Ngun Trailhead. Oh, the Kabi Kabi First Nation people, awesome. So it is apparently, it will take I guess 1 hour plus, 253 meters above sea level. This is it, guys. Fucking hell.
You see the white stripe in the forest? Oh.
Not something I really worry about very often.
Alright guys, so I'm with my buddy here, Dustin. We've finally successfully climbed Mount Ngun Ngun.
Didn't take long, did it?
Yeah, so how tall is Mount Ngun Ngun again?
No, 200 some meters?
Yeah, I think about like nearly 300 meters. It took us like 40 minutes?
30.
30 minutes. Yeah.
We did it quick.
Yeah, it's if you can see in the surrounding areas there's all of these peaks. They're part of the Glasshouse chain of mountains. Are they mountains? They're not really that high.
They're not real mountains, but they do count as
Yeah,
mountains.
they sort of like jut out from the terrain, so you can see all this is like just plains, flatlands. Over there is the coast. We're currently I think around 70 kilometers from Brisbane city center.
Yep.
From the airport. So yeah guys, this is it. Yeah guys, look at that. Alright, so we're gonna be heading out to the peak now, and I'm gonna check out some drone footage. So that was it. Yeah, we're back down now at the foothill of Mount Ngun Ngun Glasshouse Mountains, and this is the car park area, so easily accessible. And there you see my friend Dustin. Yeah, so I recommend you guys, if you're new, especially if you're a beginner hiker or you just want to enjoy yourself, so just like you can try out Mount Ngun Ngun. It's very fun and exciting and free and easily accessible and not too hard. You don't need any climbing gear, so it's really good. Yeah, thanks guys. Remember, subscribe please. Thank you.